Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Gracefully Curled. Well, I will be bringing you new videos weekly, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this stretched wash and go without actually washing my hair. I don't know about you, but sometimes I don't have time to do all of that. So this is just a quick and easy way to do it. So if you watched my last video, I did moisturize and stretch my hair for a few days, and this is what I do afterwards. So like I said, my hair is already moisturized. I'm going to section it into 4 sections. Eventually at the top, you'll see me switch my part because I do wear a side part. Now I'm going to resaturate my hair just a little bit. I'm literally pumping 1 pump of that water on each section of my hair. Now I'm going to add my Eco Styler gel to my hair, not as much as I would if this were a regular wash and go. So just a little bit. Now, I don't worry about too much definition in the back of my hair because my hair naturally just flows right in the back, for lack of better words. Now I did repeat that same process on the other side of my hair, just in the back. Now as far as the front, this process is a little bit different because definition is very important in the front of my hair. I want to make sure it looks a certain way. So again, I'm going to resaturate my hair. Then I'm going to actually comb my hair out. Now, while my hair is in subsections and I add my gel to it, I'm actually going to take my detangling brush so that I can get defined curls. Now this is the well-behaved side of my hair. It doesn't require any brushes or anything like that. And that's it. My hair is not as wet as it actually looks, so the drying time won't be as long as it would be if this was freshly washed hair. And these are my results. My hair is about 90% dry. You can see some pieces in the front that's not all the way dry, but that's okay. It's 90 degrees here, so it'll air dry in no time. But thank you all so much for watching my channel. And again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you don't miss an upload. And until next time, be blessed.